Have you ever wondered why most people fail? Why is it that no matter how hard they try, they seem stuck? Is it bad luck? Is it because they don't have the right skills? Or is there something deeper, something we're all overlooking? What if I told you that success isn't just about hard work? It's not about being the smartest or the fastest. It's about something that most people never even think about. The real difference between those who succeed and those who don't is something no one ever talks about. And it's the reason why 80% of people fail in life. Like most of us, this person started with big dreams. Dreams of success. Dreams of being better. But dreams alone don't build your future. They worked hard, day after day. Gave it their all time, energy, focus. But no matter how much effort was put in, things didn't change. They looked around, and everyone else seemed to be moving forward, getting promotions, starting businesses, living the life they always dreamed of. But they stayed stuck. They started to question everything. Was it them? Were they not good enough? Or was there something else at play? Every day felt like a battle, and no matter how hard they fought, they couldn't get ahead. They felt like they were missing something others had, but they didn't. They tried different approaches. Worked harder, stayed longer, pushed themselves to the limit, but the results were always the same. Nothing changed. They looked at those around them, those who were succeeding, and noticed one thing. They didn't seem to be working any harder than anyone else. They weren't more talented, smarter, or even more capable, but they were moving forward while the others felt stuck. Here's the thing that most people don't realize. Success isn't just about grinding harder. It's not about being the smartest, the fastest, or the most talented. In fact, working harder without the right approach can actually work against you. Because what those who succeed have, that others don't, is a mindset that works in their favor. It's about knowing how to work smart, not just hard. It's about aligning your actions with the right mindset, the right habits, and the right strategy. The people who succeed understand that it's not just about the amount of work you put in. It's about consistency. It's about pushing through the hard moments, not because you have to, but because you believe in something greater. The secret? It's all about having the right framework to move forward. And without it, no matter how hard you push, you'll always feel stuck. What separates the winners from the losers isn't effort, it's clarity and the ability to make the right moves at the right time. Once you know this, it's no longer about how much time you put in, it's about how strategically you use your time. Now that you know the real reason why most people fail, it's time to ask yourself, what are you doing differently? Are you focusing only on the hustle and grind? Or are you aligning your actions with the right mindset and strategy for success? Success doesn't happen by chance. It happens when you stop doing what everyone else is doing and start doing what works. If you want to change your life, it starts with changing the way you think. If you want to stop being stuck, it's time to get strategic. You don't need to work harder, you need to work smarter. So, are you ready to stop the struggle? To stop feeling like you're running in circles? Click subscribe for more mindset shifting stories and start taking the first steps towards success today. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your goals is the way you approach them. Make that change now.